Okay, good morning students. I hope that everybody is fine. Today we are going to study about English grammar lesson 12. The lesson name is nouns gender. Here in this passage, first of all we see that some words are written in red color. So as we read this passage, we understand the fact that all the words in red are nouns, but what is different about each of them, that they belong to different genders. All these red color words are nouns, but the difference between those words is that all is from different gender. So according to this lesson, we understand that girls belongs to feminine gender, then boys belongs to masculine gender, then cat belongs to neuter gender, and child belongs to common gender. So here mainly we study that a noun that signifies or indicates a male is said to be of the masculine gender. So any noun word which is indicating or signifying a male person, that is called a masculine gender. And if any noun word which indicates or signifies a female, that means that is feminine gender. Then third one, a noun that signifies a non-living or lifeless thing is said to be of the neuter gender. Anything, we suppose you are reading some words which indicates or signifies a non-living thing, that means that is from a neuter gender, like computer or TV. Then next one, a noun that signifies both male and female is said to be of the common gender. Suppose we are telling doctor or teachers, okay, or boys or students, that means that is common gender, because that does not mean that we are talking about boys or girls separately. So that is common gender. So through this you understand now what is that different type of gender. So in A it is written that you have to write again these sentences and you have to change the highlighted word from masculine to feminine and from feminine to masculine. Okay, this one you have to write as your answer. Like first one I am telling the answer, my mother. So what you will write here answer, my father went to the market with my brother is written here, so you will write sister, not brother. Okay, so what you will write as your answer in your copy, my father went to the market with my sister. Second one, my niece or nephew, what you will write here, niece invited me and my uncle. For aunt, what you will write, uncle, for the party. Like this you need to write in your answer in your CW. Like this only you have to write down all these answers. Then next page we turn. Then we study about one more passage here in B type of question also. So here is different noun word is here also. You have to underline those words and noun word, and you have to write those different nouns word in different type of gender here, gender boxes. Like in masculine gender it will come uncle, father, or like that, masculine gender words. Then feminine gender, mother, sister, aunt, and all these. Common gender, teacher, baby, friends, these all words. Then neuter gender, watch, bicycle, cake, cards, school, these all things. Then downside you see C type of question. Here is crossword puzzle with opposite. Solve the crossword puzzle with opposite gender of the given clues. So here is what is given here. So crossword puzzle is written here. So you have to change this gender of these words. Then you have to, as for writing these answers. So for mother, what you will write here, father. Then for poetess, poet. Then for hostess, host. Then for girl, boy. Emperor, empress. Hero, heroine. Niece, nephew. So I hope you understood this lesson. Okay, read this lesson properly and then you will understand. Thank you.